Alpha-Centauri, a trio of stars 4.37 light-years from Earth. They are the Sun's nearest neighbors. There are now hints of something else in this system. A planet. If it's there, it orbits too close to its parent star to bear life as we know it. If we find other planets there, especially one resembling Earth, some say that will ignite an effort to build a vehicle powerful and speedy enough to get us there. Interstellar flight is part of a long-standing quest to expand our horizons and go where we've never been.